Yo, as a man, no one really tells you all the extra fluff, all the extra steps you should be doing if you want glistening, soft, perfect, supple skin. Well, that's why you got your older brother. See, today, I'm going to show you, as a man, 6 extra steps you should be doing to your skincare to have flawless skin. Let's hop into this. Number 1, face oils and serums. See, facial cleansing oils can be more beneficial than regular moisturizing creams because it's more efficient at hydrating the skin. And for men, this can be great, especially because we tend to have very dry skin from shaving a lot. So the move here is apply a little bit of this oil for your skin at night, right before going to sleep, and let the oil penetrate your skin to really hydrate it. And then when you wake up the next morning, you're gonna wake up with dewy, soft, moisturized skin. Number 2, find a salicylic acid cleanser. See, this acid is great at cutting through grease. It is an active ingredient that's recommended by dermatologists for guys that suffer from acne, from oily skin, because what it does is it cuts through all that excess oil, so you're not walking around with a greasy face that clogs up pores and leads to acne. On top of that, when you do have zits, the salicylic acid is great at drying out those zits faster so your face and skin can recuperate. This is why my go-to facial cleanser is from our sponsor Geology, because it has 2% salicylic acid. I mean, there is a reason Geology has so many awards, being one of the best men's skincare system on the market, and it's for a reason. They know how to formulate their stuff. This facial cleanser actually won the Editor's Choice SPY Award for 2021. See, if you want the best skincare products on your face, you gotta check out Geology. Like, go click the link down below. You can check the tab out and you'll see all the awards they have won. These guys know skincare for men. And the best part is, you're not gonna break the bank. Matter of fact, if you guys click the link down below, you're gonna get 70% off their skincare system. That means that for literally pennies on the dollar, for probably the most affordable you'll ever find skincare, you're gonna get an entire system delivered to your door, and it's some of the best, award-winning best, that's gonna be on your face. The cool part with their system is that you're not only just gonna get the facial cleanser, you're gonna get 2 other products. You're gonna get their moisturizer and their eye serum to really round out your skincare routine. The cool part is that when you sign up for Geology, even at that discounted price, you're gonna get a skin consultation with a professional that's gonna take a look at your skin. They're gonna see what type of skin you have and the problems you have. Like I said, Geology knows everything they gotta know about men's skin, and then they're gonna take that information and develop a custom kit for you, for your skin type. This is what most brands don't understand. One system doesn't cut it out for every skin type. Geology understands this and makes one specifically for you, and this is why they're so effective. This is why it's my go-to choice, and if you guys want to check it out, they're going to be linked down below with that 70% discount. Number 3, use a tinted mineral sunscreen. First and foremost, mineral sunscreens are a healthier and safer option for your skin over chemical sunscreens. And on top of that, if you've ever used a mineral sunscreen, you already know you're gonna get this like white, almost hazy effect, especially if you're a person of color. So my go-to choice is using a tinted one. Now, this is not makeup. It doesn't cover blemishes or anything like this. But what it does is that when you apply the sunscreen, since it's tinted, it removes or fights off some of that white, hazy effect. And now you have a sunscreen that's more powerful, healthier for your skin, and it's unnoticeable. Number 4, apply vitamin C daily. I never skip this step. See, vitamin C is essentially an acid. They call it an ascorbic acid. It basically inhibits the melanin production in the skin, which, again, if you're a person of color, this is essential because it prevents hyperpigmentation. When you're a person of color, sometimes your melanin starts acting crazy and you have darker spots in certain regions. If you want that nice, even skin tone color, you're gonna wanna apply some vitamin C. On top of that, vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects your skin from damaging free radicals from the sun. Finally, number 5, I want you to use a chemical peel. This is to replace the old school way of just using a facial scrubber. It still exfoliates the face without you actually having to scrub your face, and it's more powerful and it penetrates deeper. Overall, this is great for guys that have acne, hyperpigmentation, or textured skin. If you want that smooth skin, try a chemical peel. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. They're 70% off with that link down below. That's it from me today. See you next time.